So if you are struggling with the Django setup and installation, this is the right video for you, because by the end of this video, you'll be able to see a link like this. And when you tap that link, you should get a successful message, meaning your Django is successfully set up and you should do whatever project you're interested in doing. So welcome to the Code 911 channel, and in this video I'm going to help you install and set up your Django successfully. Let's get right into it. As you can see here, I have some steps that go through the full setup of the Django. These steps are based on the fact that you have already downloaded your Python on your computer. So if you haven't, then you should go to your favorite browser. And in your browser, you type python.org. Click on it, then go to downloads. Then you download Python on your computer. So after downloading Python, then we can go back to the steps. Okay, back to the steps. Step 1 is to create and activate a virtual environment. The virtual environment is important because it prevents conflict between your project and the global Python of your PC. In case the project has anything special that you don't want to cut across other projects. So that's why the virtual environment is important, because it focuses directly on this given project you're working on. If you're using Windows, the commands are here. The first command is for creating a virtual environment, and the second is for activating it. If you're using Linux, the same thing, the commands are here. So with that, we shall be done with step 1. In step 2, we shall install the Django using this command, pip install the Django. Step 3, we shall create our Django project using this command. Then step 4, we shall confirm our installation using this command. So the theory is done. You can pause the video and go through it if you want. So the theory is done. So let me show you how it is done practically. So we begin with our step 1, creating and activating our virtual environment. So for this video I'm using Windows, so I'll mainly use these commands. So let's get started. Go up to your terminal. I'll use our first command, Python then that last part is the name of your virtual environment that you want. This last part here, it basically just stands for the name of your virtual environment that you want to use. So I'm going to use Ven as the name of my virtual environment. You can use anything you want. I press enter. As you can see on my sidebar here, my virtual environment has been created, and there's some files inside, some files and folders inside it. For now, that's not so important. So we come back to this and activate our Python virtual environment. So we use this other command here now to activate our Python virtual environment. So you say, use the name of your virtual environment. Mine is Ven. Use the /scripts and activate and press enter. So as you can see here, virtual environment has been activated. When you see this in brackets, the name of your virtual environment in brackets, that means it has been activated. You are now working inside your virtual environment. So step 1 is complete. Now we go to step 2, installing the Django. So as you can see the command, so you use pip install the Django, enter. It should start the download. The Django has been fully installed, as you can see here. So step 2 is done. Next is step 3, creating the Django project. So use the command the Django admin. This command, the Django admin, start project, then your project name. Increase this up. So you say the Django admin, start project. Then you give your project the name you want. I'm going to call mine Latom. Those who know, they know. So they know what it means. I'm going to say Latom. Then I press enter. So as you can see on my sidebar, my project has been created. But as you can see on the sidebar, it has created a folder called Latom, then another folder called Latom inside it, which has the other files. But we don't want this because when you, in the future, as you are working on your project, you'll over disturb navigating through folders to get to your actual project. So with that, I want to show you a better way of doing this. So I want to delete it. Then I create it again. So I'll say the Django admin, start project, and Latom, give a space, then the full stop, or you can just say a dot, space and a dot, and press enter. As you can see now on my sidebar, it has been created, my project has been created, and inside it the other files are just directly, you can directly access the files instead of another folder being inside, then you have to again navigate. So this one saves us time and is very direct. So step 3 is done. My project has been created. Now the last step is to confirm whether the installation has been successful. So with that, we run the command Python, the command Python manage.py run server. As you can see on the sidebar, when our project was created, this file opened up, this file called manage.py. You can see inside this file what we have here. So it is basically when we run back this command here, Python manage.py run server, and press enter. I can ignore the warnings that are not that important at the moment because this is just a setup. We are not actually doing the actual project. So, and even here migrations, you run migrations when you're working on the actual project. So here this is just the setup. Then you can see here starting development server at, then there is here a link. So you come to the link and you click on it. Click the link and it should open up this. Should open up this. The install works successfully. Congratulations. It means the Django has been fully set up and you can fully work on your project. So yeah, so that's it. So all our 4 steps are done. Yeah, we have come to the end. Hope this video has been helpful. If you want us to go through a full project step by step, just like we have done this, you can comment down below and I'll reply to you, and I'll make a separate video for that, for this video was basically for the setup, and as you can see, the setup has been successful. Yeah, that's it. So hope this video has been helpful. If it has been helpful, drop a like, comment, subscribe. Hope to see you in the next video.